my name is Nirali Balia. Today in this video I will show you how to change the port number in XAMPP server. In this session I will discuss below topics. First one, why do we need to change the port number in XAMPP server? And second one, how to change the port number in XAMPP server. First of all, I will explain you why do we need to change the port number in XAMPP server. When you start your Apache web server, you will see this kind of error message like Apache shut down unexpectedly due to block port. Reasons behind for this error message. Now these days, it is very common that a web developer needs to have multiple web servers running all at the same time. In such scenario, if two or more servers or applications or softwares are trying to use the same port number, then the latecomer will fail to get the port. For example, an XAMPP server can be used to run the local WordPress blog, while a JBoss server also needs to be up for the testing of Java web applications, and sometimes Skype application and IIS server also use port number 80. At that time, you will facing port number issue. Solution for this issue. So at that time, it becomes necessary to change any one server's port number to avoid this conflict. Then after I will explain you how to change the port number in XAMPP server. Here follow these steps to change the XAMPP server port number. First of all, I describe all the steps, then after I will show you demo of all the steps. Step 1. Stop the XAMPP server if it is running already. Step 2. To open the file. Here two ways to open the file. This is the first way. In first way, first of all, to open the XAMPP server control panel. Then after click config button on Apache module and to open Apache in bracket http d.conf file. Here .conf is one type of extension. .conf stands for configuration file. Then after in second way, first of all go to C drive. Then open XAMPP installation folder. Then after click on Apache folder. And to open conf folder. Inside conf folder, open http d.conf file in Notepad. Here, first way is very easy as compared to second way. Step 3. Now search for the string listen 80. I am assuming that your XAMPP was using the port 80. Otherwise, just search for the string listen. This is the port number which XAMPP use. Change this 80 to any other number which you are prefer, like 8080, 8083, etc. I will prefer port number 8080. Step 4. Then after search for the string server name localhost and update the port number there also. Step 5. Now save and restart XAMPP server and you are done. At that time, I will show you demo of all the steps. First of all, to open the XAMPP server control panel, then after click config button on Apache module and to open Apache in bracket http d.conf file. Then after search for string listen 80. And change this 80 to 8080. Then after search for string server name localhost. And update the port number here also. Then after save this file and finally restart XAMPP server. And you are done. Before we wrap up, if you like my video, please share this video with your friends and followers. And if you are facing any problem, ask them before to leave comment below. And I will be sure to follow up with you. And another important thing, don't forget subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and to get latest update about my upcoming video on my channel. And also you can see my upcoming video updates on my Facebook page, and you can find my Facebook page link below in video description. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.